Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. Today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view extensions that you have installed on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Chromebook browser and select the three-dotted icon up in the top right, and then go down and select where it says extensions and select manage extensions. And they should all appear right here. And that's pretty much it. If you want them to appear on the top toolbar, you just select details and you could select where it says pin to toolbar. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.